سلام عليكم يكون تقاتلتي إرتران إمسيم كم بارلوم حيزنا مسينا لنا مhqaq مجبي وين بزعام مhqaq مجبي هم يجرو مhqaq مجبي هم جمر أف جمير له بس قارع عجيرهم فتينو ملو يحيي يقولنا زي ما جوز بلعة ساليفا زي تريهما ساليفا زي مرق مالتي لازم مجبي أف كله مالتي زي أبي زي مع أنتي قطين مع أنت الله نقول في مع أنت أسجري جينا زي حاجة جمرنتي هايلايت يمزرينا له جنرال رأي جي كاب في خيرال كاب بتحلب قرورة بتحلب سلني يا يخيرال له قعزالنا كبدي مجبي مالتي زي أنت إيزي
These contractions are so powerful you can even eat upside down. For the first time, a new camera shows a high-definition view of how food travels through our bodies and into our stomachs.
أيوة خبدي تعملون سنان حريت.
Food enters the stomach through a hole at the top.
أيوة ناب كبدي ورد ناب كبدي.
The stomach is a bag of muscle that churns, squashes, and squeezes food into it. At the same time, acids break the food down. The stomach walls protect themselves with a lining of mucus. Without it, the acids could digest parts of the stomach itself, causing stomach ulcers. About an hour later, the stomach squeezes the broken down food out through a tiny hole called the pyloric sphincter. The food enters the small intestine, an 11-foot coil of tube where we absorb most of the nutrients. The interior wall of the small intestine is lined with millions of microscopic projections called villi. These increase the surface area of the gut, making it easier to absorb nutrients. First, the pancreas pumps out a juice that neutralizes stomach acid. Then bile from the liver breaks down the fats into tiny droplets. Smaller droplets are easier for the intestine to absorb. After an hour and a half, the small intestine has absorbed most of the nutrients from the food. It's time for what remains to move on. It enters the large intestine through this, the ileocecal sphincter, a valve that keeps our food from going back where it came from. What's left is a mix of waste food and dead cells from the walls of the gut. The large intestine's main job is to extract water from it. Lots of bacteria but it isn't because of infection. We actually need them. They produce enzymes that break down complex carbohydrates in our food. Carbohydrates we couldn't otherwise digest. Finally, after about 12 hours, we expel what's left of our first meal.
يلا أفضل طقاميت كوينا أنت رغيكم سبسكرايب لايك أي تقولنا